Welcome, SolidWorks designers. In this video, we'll create an air duct transition from a circular to an oval profile with an offset using SolidWorks sheet metal tools. Don't forget to like the video, share your feedback in the comments, and subscribe to support the channel. Let's get started. Let's create a sketch on the front plane. Select the center point arc, draw an arc with a small gap at the top and draw a vertical construction line through the center. Select the two arc endpoints and the vertical line, then apply a symmetric relation. Add dimensions. Set the arc radius to 12 inches and the gap at the top to 0.1 inches. Next, open sheet metal and choose Base Flange tool. Set the thickness to 0.125 inches and the length to 15 inches. Then click OK. This gives us the first transition element, a cylindrical section with a 24-inch diameter. Continue by selecting the end face of the first transition as a reference plane and create a new sketch using convert entities. Retain only the inner curve and delete the rest of the converted geometry. Draw a vertical construction line through the center and, with the trim tool, remove the right half of the arc so that only the left side remains. This will define half of the transition profile for the circular end. Next, create a new plane offset 22 inches from this sketch. On that plane, sketch the oval. Diameter 16 inches and the center-to-center distance between the major axis arcs to 24 inches to define the elongated shape. Add a relation between the lower line of the oval and the circular profile so they align properly. Then trim away the right side of the oval sketch, just as was done with the arc. Now use Lofted tool from sheet metal to generate half of the transition between the circular and oval profiles. Finally, mirror the lofted half about the vertical plane to complete the full transition. The second transition segment is now fully defined and ready for further detailing or flat pattern generation. Let's continue with the oval transition. We'll use the same SolidWorks sheet metal tools and workflow as in the first transition so the process stays consistent. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and leave a comment to support the channel. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for new SolidWorks tutorials every week.